Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello kids! In this video, we will learn words that start from I, J, K and L. I words. Eyes. Eyes. Igloo. Igloo. Insect. Insect. Island. Island. Ink. Ink. Iron. Iron. Ice cream. Ice cream. Invite. Invite. Inside. Inside. J words. Jam. Jam. Jump. Jump. Jacket. Jacket. Jelly. Jelly. Joke. Joke. Keywords. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kite. Kite. Key. Key. King. King. Kitchen. Kitchen. Kind. Kind. L words. Loin. Loin. Leaf. Leaf. Lamp. Lamp. Lemon. Lemon. Lollipop. Lollipop. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.